If you're considering Cloudways VPS, there are a few important things you need to know before making a purchase. Cloudways offers a solid solution for web hosting, but it may not be the best fit for everyone, so let's dive into the details and compare it with some of its competitors. First off, Cloudways offers a managed VPS hosting service, which means they handle the technical side of things for you. While this is a huge benefit if you don't want to deal with server management, it does come at a price. Competitors like DigitalOcean or Linode give you more control but require more technical knowledge. If you prefer a hands-off approach, Cloudways might be the way to go. Next thing, pricing. Cloudways doesn't have fixed pricing like many traditional VPS hosts. Instead, you pay based on the cloud provider you choose, AWS, Google Cloud, or others. This can be a bit confusing, but it also gives you flexibility. If you're used to the predictable pricing of services like Bluehost or HostGator, Cloudways might feel a little less transparent at first glance. The third thing you should know is performance. Cloudways offers high-performance hosting, which is crucial for websites with high traffic. They manage server optimization and caching, ensuring speed without you needing to tweak server settings. This can give Cloudways an edge over more traditional VPS hosts, where you might have to do these things manually unless you go for managed hosting options. Now let's talk about scalability. Cloudways excels here as it allows you to scale your server resources with just a few clicks. This is crucial if you're running a growing business. While providers like SiteGround and A2 Hosting offer scalability, Cloudways cloud infrastructure makes it smoother and faster to scale compared to their more traditional setups. The fifth thing to consider is the user interface. Cloudways has a user-friendly dashboard that simplifies complex server management tasks. If you're comparing it to traditional VPS hosting providers like Vultr or InMotion Hosting, which may require command line knowledge for advanced configurations, Cloudways interface is a huge advantage for those who aren't very technical. The sixth thing is security. Cloudways provides automatic backups, SSL certificates, and a built-in firewall to keep your server secure. Competitors like Hostinger and SiteGround also offer strong security features, but Cloudways' focus on performance combined with security makes it a balanced choice. Next thing, customer support. Cloudways offers 24/7 support via live chat, which is responsive and helpful. If you're comparing this to self-managed VPS services like Linode, where you might be on your own in terms of support, Cloudways wins on this front with its proactive customer service. The eighth thing is the lack of a domain registration service. Unlike some hosting providers like Bluehost or GoDaddy, Cloudways doesn't handle domain registration. You'll need to purchase your domain elsewhere and point it to Cloudways, which can be an extra step for beginners. The ninth thing to be aware of is that Cloudways is not ideal for beginners who want to host multiple small websites. Their infrastructure and pricing are designed more for medium to large businesses or those with high traffic. For basic website hosting, you might want to look at simpler options like SiteGround. The 10th thing to mention is that Cloudways doesn't offer email hosting. If you need a professional email address for your business, you'll need to set up a separate service like G Suite or Zoho Mail. This is something you'll want to plan for, as some other hosts, like Bluehost, include email hosting in their plans. Next, Cloudways offers automatic updates for the platform, which means that security patches and performance updates are rolled out without you having to worry about them. This is much easier compared to self-managed VPS services, where updates can sometimes break your site if you're not on top of them. The 12th thing to consider is Cloudways' free trial. You can test out their service for 3 days without committing, which is great for anyone who wants to see how the platform works before making a decision. Not all VPS providers offer a free trial, so this can give you a risk-free chance to see if it meets your needs. So, overall, Cloudways is a strong contender if you're looking for a managed VPS solution that combines performance, ease of use, and scalability. However, if you want something a bit more cost-effective or with more features like email hosting, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.